queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey, hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke, and Aneke budgets, and on here we do cash up and budget, paying off right there and mind no business, not necessarily in them for orders. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, comment, share the video, okay, with a family friend or a foe. I don't know where I was going with that. I was like, what the heck am I supposed to be saying? But subscribe, okay? And welcome to the ho because show me some money some more. But no shade, no tea. Let's do this budget with me. All right, y'all, so per usual, we are zoomed in all up in my business. So let's talk about it. So additional income, okay, that is what we're doing for our income source. It's our income source for additional income, right? So my additional income amount is $460.25. Boom. And that is all we're going to be working with. So $460.25. But let me back it up. Okay. First things first. Okay. My income source, figuring out what I'm getting paid. Okay. What my next upcoming paycheck going to be like. So that is what you do. You put them in there, boom, 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 and get you your total of all the money you working with in this time frame. Next thing you do is you move down to your expenses. Now you can do this in multiple different ways. You can either do it where, you know, on one check you pay for all of your bills, or you can split up your bills onto multiple checks, or you can do every two bi-weekly where you pay. I get paid bi-weekly, so it makes the most sense for me to split up my bills bi-weekly. That also, now pause, okay, let me bring it back, because sometimes that doesn't make sense as well. Just because you get paid twice a month or you get paid once a month, it doesn't make sense for you to only use a check that falls, for example, the 1st through the 15th for bills that falls the 1st through the 15th. What if the bills is more, you know, what if the bills at the beginning of the month is too heavy for you, girl? Because sometimes rent and mortgages is just too heavy, okay? So they're over $1,000 sometimes. And what if your paycheck is $2,300? Like, you got other things to do, okay? We ain't got time for this. Or what if your check is like $1,500? You gotta pay rent that first time, as well as you gotta pay all your other things. What if your car insurance is due at the same time? What if just regular insurance is due at the same time? What if your car note is due? They gotta buy groceries. It's a whole lot of. So, whole point of me saying that is this: figure out when your bills fall, figure out what is best for you. Because like I said, if you're getting a $1,500 check and your rent is $1,000, baby, we do not need to be using that whole $1,000 on the first of the month, or the check that's supposed to last you from the 1st to the 15th. Break that $1,000 in half, so $500 from your first check. Do $500 from the second check, and then now you have $1,000. Because remember, you got a $1,500 paycheck. Your rent is $1,000. You're doing half of your rent on one check, which is $500. So now that $1,500 that you have available now moves out that you got $1,000 available, because we already saved $500 for our rent. You know, you got to figure out what works for you. Okay, this is budgeting. This is how it works and happens. Okay, so for me, it just so happens that every 2 weeks it just worked out for me. That's a lie, because for the past, like, I want to say 6 months, I've been doing, yeah, no, I'm not lying. For the past 6 months, I've been doing half and half. Before, I used to have it where I used to have a from my employer, aka the military, I used to have them send money directly to one account, and then whatever hits my bank account is just my fund money. But I canceled that, and so now all the money that hits my bank account, I'm responsible, including all of my bills. So when I say, hey, now I gotta figure it out, that's when I started doing half and half. Because before, your girl didn't care about it, but now she's doing half and half. So that's what I'm saying. Like, you gotta figure out what works for you for your budget. So now back to my budget. So I've already paid my half of the mortgage on my last paycheck. This is my second paycheck, which is the additional income, and so I'm gonna pay for stuff from this that falls within this week. So basically, I've switched from a bi-weekly check to now a weekly check. Girl, talk, speak. What was that? And so yeah. And when I say weekly check, I just meant weekly in the week. I don't get magic months. That's not a thing for me. It's just 4 weeks. Okay, I just split 4 weeks. So anyways, back to the budget. So I know how much I'm getting paid. Okay, getting paid, young, getting paid. Okay. And so now my expenses. So what do I have for my expenses this month? So believe it or not, I had to pay my realtor something today. So my expense is gonna be a realtor cost. Now, if you did not watch my expense tracker video, which is what I posted yesterday, baby, okay, get into it, because I'm telling y'all, December is up. So go ahead and check that out, and you will hear all of the things, child, in that video. But yeah, so I had to pay my realtor, and I had to pay my realtor $288.79. Baby, when I tell you fell out, almost fell out. I said, wait a minute, what? Child, you know, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. And so, yeah. So, unexpected bills be billing. So, let's go. So, 460.25 minus 288.79. We have $171.46 to work with. Now, all I'm saying is, won't the Lord do it? Because somebody got to. Apparently, I am just not the one, but the Lord is. So we gonna let him handle it, because I don't got time. Okay? If it was up to me, nobody would get paid. I be out here living my best life. But responsibilities, okay? Responsibilities. No one let you. I don't let. No, ma'am. One thing about it, two things for sure. You would not. I'm gonna pay you back. I borrowed your money, I'm gonna pay you back. I'm a firm believer in that, you know? Firm believer. If I use your money, I'm gonna pay you back. I'm gonna pay you back. Cause one thing about it, two things for sure, I'm keeping this 800 credit score. Okay, talk about it. Talk about it. Snap, snap. All right, I'm in there. But anyways, so we have $171.46. Now I gotta buy groceries. I don't. Okay, so two things is going in here, and that is the Lord. So tithes, because we ain't missing out on the Lord. And the next thing that's going in here is groceries. So, right, okay, so my tithes is 10% of my income. So I have $46, I have $406.25, so that's $46. So I'm going to put $46 for tithes. Or do I do 47? I actually do 47. It's 46.02, and I round up, so I'm just do 47. So $47 for tithes, and then groceries, child. Okay, so we only have $171. I don't got that much now. I'm telling y'all, go and watch that expense video. Baby, okay, baby. Not a plus, minus $47. So I have $124. How much I'm gonna put in groceries? Because I need to eat. I don't really need that much though, so I'm gonna put like $60. Let me do that. Let me do $60 for groceries. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that because I need, ooh, yeah, because it's only a week and then I get paid again. I want to say I get paid on Friday of this week. Is it Friday or is it Monday? Girl, it might be Monday I get paid. But then again, you know, I do get, my bank be like, hey, you getting paid anyways. Let me hook you up with this for, yeah, I'm getting paid. Yeah, I'm getting paid on Friday. Friday the 13th, we're getting paid. Getting paid, yeah, getting paid, okay? All right, so what is 47 plus 60? 107? Is that right? Yep, that's right. I know that's right. Okay, 107, child. So that's that. So I got $171.46 minus, what was it? 107. So we got $64.46. Now, if you know me and little Kiki, I do not do cents. So emergency will be getting all that. So emergency fund is going to be the first thing that's up here. And usually I have these written out, but this is off the dome. We really budgeting together. So I'm moving on to sinking funds from the cash envelopes down here. You see the money ain't really moving a lot. Cause, okay, unexpected bills and responsibilities. We getting in where we fitting in. Literally. So emergency fund, $4.46, well, $64.46 is what we have available. I am going to do $4.46. Leave me with a cute 60. Let me look at this real quick. This is my sinking funds binder, y'all. If you're new here, welcome. Okay, if you've never seen it, welcome. Okay, she a year old. All of these envelopes are a year old. I made them last year. we are doing updated envelopes. Okay, get into her. She is gonna eat. Wait until y'all see it. She's gonna eat. Okay, it's upcoming. It's upcoming. Clothing, travel, family, birthday, home maintenance, mortgage, car maintenance, car insurance. All right, we don't really need nothing else from, you know, let me get my emergency just for them, you know, for them time periods, but I don't really need anything else in that. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and leave that, and we're gonna do $4.46. So total for sinking funds is $4.46, and then remaining is gonna be $60. And so now we're gonna move down to my additional savings, which is my savings challenges. And y'all will be like, girl, why are you adding money into saving challenges? You already don't even have that much money. Listen, okay, listen. It's December. It's Christmas time. And so during this time frame, I do need to finish my Christmas challenge. So yeah, that's really why we're here. That's really why money is going in saving challenges, because Christmas challenge, okay? Get into it. As a matter of fact, where is my thingamajiggy? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I need to find my Christmas time, y'all. This is my, like, if you haven't seen my budget book setup, this is my budget book setup. Oh, this is the Christmas challenge. So this is the I've already set up my budget book, but I'm still using it because you know, I'm on a budget. So we basically did the upgraded version, and so I have some thick covers and some stuff. So if you have not seen the 2025 budget planner setup, go ahead and watch that video. But yeah, so okay, another thing you need to do, you need to see where you're trying to go sometimes, you know, from where you at. Or you need to see where you came from to see where you're going. So for my budget, especially for the Christmas challenge, I need to see where I need to go. So let me zoom out so I can see all the things. Ain't it pretty with the red and green? It's so cute. So anyways, for Christmas challenge, I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 icons to fill in. And I have and then there are 3 presents and there are 3 snowmans. The presents are $20, the snowmans are $25. No wonder they so long to fill out. But it's 6 icons that I need to fill in. So 3 times 20 is $60, and then 3 times 25 is $75. So when you add those 2 together, what's that? Because I didn't calculate it. It's $135. What is it? What is it? $75 plus 60. Delete plus 60. Oh, I'm that good. $135. Okay, so I need $135, but I only have 60. Now I can fill all of these out myself, or we can do something else, or you know, we can wait until the 15th paycheck to fill this out. But we'll get there when we get there. So back to the budget. Okay, back to the budget. And so here we are. So saving challenges is going to get, let me zoom y'all back in. Ooh, not out. Let me zoom y'all back here. Okay, so saving challenge will get that $60. And then, like I said, it's really because of the Christmas challenge. It's not for anything else. Everybody else just gonna get in where they fit in. They're just gonna have to live with it. So $60 is going to that. And then I'm probably gonna finish this on the 15 paycheck, but neither here nor there. And then my remainder is going to be 0. So we have 0 for additional debt, which is fine, and 0 for that right there. So all of this is 0. I don't know why I didn't just put a line, child. That would have been so much simpler. And that's my budget, okay? Real simple, real classy. She ain't got too much, you know, going on, but she tells you all the story that you need to hear. So my income source, again, $460 and 25 cents. Okay, my envelopes come up to, my expenses, child, not envelopes, my expenses come up to $288. And all right, listen, that pen been getting on my nerve. It's getting on my nerve now. $288.79. We do not got time. Okay, I got too much pens and all these little knickknacks for a pen not to work. Okay, you better hold your position or you lose your position. Cash envelopes, okay, they got $107. Sinking funds got $4.46 because every little nickel make a muckle. Okay, that's a Jamaican saying. I don't know what it means, don't mind me. I really do know what it means. Every little thing adds up, y'all. That's what it means. Additional savings is $60, and then we have nothing for additional debt, and so remainder is nothing. So that is the budget. Okay, get into it, love it, like it, live it. Okay, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like. My battery says I am low. You trying me today, and I really did, because I made like 2 or 3 videos with it. But that's neither here nor there. Y'all love me Vlogmas? Let me know by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, subscribing, and doing all of the things. And if you do like Vlogmas, I do have it up on the screen right now for you to watch. So click the video chat, or you can click, you know, go ahead and see which one you like. The last 7, 8 videos I've been eating Vlogmas all the month of December. So yeah, click the video that you guys see on the screen. My name is Aneke, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't